In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make TikTok videos on Clipchamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, bring in your footage, set the proper vertical format, and polish your edit so it's ready to post. Start by opening Clipchamp in your browser or desktop app. Once it loads, create a new video so you're working on a clean timeline. You'll see three key areas: the media library on the left, the timeline across the bottom, and the preview window in the center. This layout makes it easy to organize your clips and watch changes in real time as you edit. Next, create or import your clips. If you already have footage, click the import button and select files from your computer or connected cloud storage. If you need new content, Clipchamp lets you record directly from your webcam, your screen, or both. Keep your shots short and focused. TikTok viewers respond best to concise, high-energy visuals. As your media appears in the library, drag it onto the timeline in the order you plan to use it. You can rearrange clips at any time, so don't worry about perfection on the first pass. Before editing too deeply, adjust your project to the vertical 9:16 ratio, which is TikTok